Hi, I'm Paul with RackAttack.com, here to show you the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2016 through 2022 and possibly beyond Nissan Maxima 4-door sedan with a bare roof. The system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers set of 4, the JetStream load bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. Here we've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is an additional track in which the tower is fastened. And alongside that track are measurement numbers, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheets in order to guide you in the correct positioning of the tower onto the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a very custom fit to the vehicle. And to access those adjustments, you first must remove the outer cover by you just squeeze the top and pull back on the cover to remove that. The first adjustment we'll look at is the fastener which holds the tower to the bar. And to access that, we first pull back on this panel, and now we have access to that fastener. You'll notice there's 3 points of adjustment. Those are pitch adjustments. So not only does that fastener hold the tower to the bar, but it also allows for adjustment in pitch in order to compensate for curvature in the roof line. Now, when we push back on that panel, you'll notice that prevents access to that fastener for security. Below here we have an additional adjustment, that is the toe adjustment, and we'll demonstrate that using the tool that's included with the towers. We'll just loosen that up, and that will allow the adjustment of the pad and clip assembly, and that'll help to best match the angles of the door frame and roof line. Now, when we tighten that back up, this tool, the handle will click, and that indicates you've reached the correct tightness. The tool is also used for all the other fasteners on the tower. So here we have another fastener adjustment. That one, when you tighten, that will pull the clip downward against the door frame. And here, underneath this panel, when you tighten that adjustment, that will pull the clip upward against the door frame. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place. And for that, we just connect at the bottom and snap at the top. Here you'll notice we have a plastic plug, and that plastic plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System. So you can purchase these in matched sets, and that way you'll have all 4 of your towers and any SKS compatible accessory or carrier you can have key match for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at RackAttack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this system in particular, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.